Hello everyone, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis. Today I'm coming to you with a decorate with me styling of a console table. Now guys, this console table sits behind my sofa in my family room, and it's been like this pretty much since Easter. I just took off the bunnies and all the Easter decor, and it's time to change it up a bit. So I'm going to start removing these items and get my table cleaned and ready for some different decor. Now these are two of my favorite books right now. Michelle Obama's Becoming and At Home with Nikki's book. So right now I'm going to use some of my favorite glass cleaner that I get from the Dollar Tree. It's a foaming cleaner and it cleans very, very well for only $1. By the way, I must add, this table I picked up at a garage sale or yard sale for just $10, guys. Now the fun part. I'm going to use these vases that I've had for quite a while that I picked up from Hobby Lobby about a year or so ago. I love that they are like an off-white and gold color. So they pretty much go with anything and everything. And then I picked up this beautiful candle holder from Home Goods just recently. When I saw it, I knew I had to bring it home with me. My eye is going to gold now, and this is a large piece which I am getting into now. Rather than picking up little knickknacks and little pieces, I want pieces that make a huge statement, and this does it right here. It holds 5 candles, tapered candles. It is just a beautiful piece. So I'm adding these candles here that I picked up a while ago from the Dollar Tree. I wish they would get these candles back. It has a gold tone at the bottom and it just moves up into the white. Very beautiful candle. Dollar Tree also had these in silver as well as the copper tone, and I snagged 3 sets of each color. But right now I'm using the gold with this candle holder. I'm trying to just keep it simple using the off-white or the cream color and gold. Just giving you an overview of the piece. It is so pretty. Now I need to put something in this spot. What shall we put here? Well, I have a beautiful box. It can house many things. Right now it is holding my totally Dazzled bling brooches. But I love using storage boxes because, again, you can put many things in a decorative box. And this box was gifted to me, by the way, during Christmas. And since I have candles here, I'm going to put my candle snuffer on top of the box. Will I ever burn these candles? Probably not. They're for decorations only. But again, I will put the snuffer here just in case. And guys, I think we are done. I'm giving you an overview of the table that we have decorated together. I am loving it. I'm loving that I don't have too many pieces on here, and just because I have just a few pieces, it's still giving me that wow factor, and I'm loving it. I also had lamps on this table, and I'm glad I removed them because it obstructs the view of my TV or my family room when I'm looking in from the kitchen. I like that it's pretty much a lower level here of home decor, and my family loves it too. I hope you've gotten some inspiration out of what you've seen today. Thanks for helping me style this console table. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Love you guys. Have a blessed day.